In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change canvas size in Clip Studio Paint. Let's start by opening your project in Clip Studio Paint. Have the artwork you want to adjust visible so you can immediately see the effect of your changes. Think of the canvas as the physical sheet your artwork sits on. Changing canvas size doesn't shrink or stretch your drawing, it simply adjusts the boundaries around it. Increasing the canvas makes more room, decreasing it trims the edges. Head to the top menu and click Edit. From there, choose Change Canvas Size. This opens a dialog box with fields for width, height, resolution, and an anchor point grid. Take a moment to look over these options so you know exactly what you're modifying. Enter the new width and height values you want. If you're working for screens, pixels are usually the best unit. For print, you might prefer inches or millimeters. Remember, changing canvas size adds or removes space. It does not scale your artwork. If you make the canvas larger, you'll get extra empty area around your existing content, which may appear transparent or match your background layer depending on your setup. If you make it smaller, anything outside the new boundaries will be cropped. You'll also see a resolution field, typically measured in DPI. Resolution matters for printing and how large your artwork will appear physically on paper. It doesn't change the pixel count unless you specifically resample elsewhere, so for a simple canvas size adjustment, you can usually leave it as is. If your project is destined for print, make sure your resolution already matches your target, like 300 dpi, in separate preparation steps. Next, use the anchor point grid to decide which part of the canvas remains fixed as the size changes. The highlighted square is the point that stays in place. Choose the center to keep your artwork centered while adding or removing space evenly on all sides. Select the left anchor if you want to lock the left edge and add or remove space on the right. The same logic applies to top, bottom, and corners. This is the key to controlling where cropping happens or where extra room appears, so pick the anchor thoughtfully based on what part of your image you want to protect. When you're satisfied with the width, height, and anchor, click OK to apply the changes. Your canvas updates instantly. If the result isn't what you expected, don't worry. Use undo and try a different anchor or size. With that, you've successfully changed your canvas size in Clip Studio Paint.